Have you ever found yourself trying to extract a specific piece of text from a sea of HTML only to feel completely lost? If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to get the string between two paragraph tags in HTML. I totally get it. It can be super frustrating when you're trying to pull out just the right information and the code seems to be working against you. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar challenges when dealing with HTML. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how would I get the string between the first two paragraph tags? And then, how would I get the string between the second paragraph tags? If you've ever wondered the same, stick around as we explore this together. So, what's the deal with extracting strings from HTML? HTML is structured in a way that allows us to target specific elements, like paragraph tags. Understanding how to navigate this structure is key to getting the information you need. And don't go anywhere. I have a handy tip at the end that will make working with HTML even easier. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To extract the string between the first two paragraph tags, the user can use a regular expression. This will help identify the content enclosed by the tags. Next, to get the string between the second paragraph tags, the user can modify the regular expression slightly. This will allow them to capture the second occurrence. Now let's summarize the steps. The user first captures the content of the first paragraph, and then they capture the content of the second paragraph using the modified regex. Finally, the user can print or return these strings as needed in their application. This way, they can utilize the extracted content effectively. Fun fact, did you know that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language? It's the backbone of almost every website you visit. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using regular expressions to extract strings between paragraph tags. They suggest using the findAll method from the re module. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always remember to check for edge cases in your HTML. Sometimes tags can be nested or missing, and handling those scenarios will save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You now know how to extract strings between paragraph tags in HTML. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep experimenting with your coding skills.